Assessment is critical to ensuring that students are actively involved in their own learning and that teachers have evidence that their class is making progress. Code.org has incorporated several opportunities for both formal and informal evaluation throughout the CS Discovery's curriculum to support you in measuring student growth and informing the pace of your instruction. Code.org provides teachers with various tools to help them in assessing their students. At the top of all of the lesson plans, Code.org provides a list of objectives that lesson will cover. They also provide exemplar solutions to activity guides and activities throughout the lesson. These activity guides are easy to read and provide an example for what to look for when assessing students. They also provide a list of assessment opportunities for teachers to use throughout the lesson. These assessment opportunities are at the beginning of the lesson and also at the end of all of the lessons in the purple box marked with a check mark. Code.org also provides assessment activities on many of the plugged lessons throughout the curriculum. These assessment activities are marked by a purple check mark on the navigation bar. They also turn purple when completed rather than the normal green. These assessment activities are used to gauge student understanding of key concepts taught throughout the lesson. These key concepts are marked under the Key Concept tab. Teachers are also provided with a mini rubric in which to provide feedback to the students on how they did with the level. If teachers would like to see individual student work, they can open up the teacher panel and click on individual students. Here, teachers can provide students with feedback only the student can see. They can also grade the student based on the mini rubric provided. If teachers would like to see student progress throughout the entire unit and lesson, they can click View Teacher Dashboard. Here, teachers can see all of the students' progress throughout the unit and individual lessons. At the end of each unit, students complete a project to show what they have learned. Code.org also provides a post-project test. These are intended to assess unit objectives that were not assessed in the project rubric. These assessments are summative and are intended to be given in combination with end-of-chapter projects. Together, end-of-chapter projects and post-project unit tests assess the objectives in the unit.